What videos you need to watch and know this channel and for you to subscribe. This is why I created this content to show and explain to you today. Please watch until the end of this video. Let's start. Five reasons why you should subscribe to Melarts Channel. Here's why. Number 1. Informative and useful content. Melarts Channel represents the educational and creative videos regarding arts and crafts for all viewers. It is inspired by my hobbies and skills to share with you by making videos here on YouTube. Educational videos are the definition of arts and crafts, its history, and the talented people who started creating those remarkable and masterpiece artwork, such as their paintings, sculptures, and more here in the Philippines or in other countries. While creative videos are making DIY projects for your home decor ideas or in your office. If you are new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the notification bell for more of my upcoming videos. Number 2. A tutorial on how to make DIY or do-it-yourself projects. I created tutorial videos in detail from start to finish, and most DIY or do-it-yourself projects are made of popsicle sticks and cardboard or others, like storage box, wooden organizer, caddy, wall lamp, and more in an affordable budget. Check and try it out now. Number 3. The information is well researched and creative. Before the creation of my content, first, I'll make a plan by taking down notes. Second, I'd search. Third, I'd picked and gathered information until I got finalized the title. Actually, I'll do it all by myself for now, a researcher, writer, videographer, editor, designer, and etc. It takes time, but it's worthwhile. Number 4. To educate viewers. The important purpose for this channel is to educate or to inspire people. No age restrictions because you can watch all of my videos. And number 5. Helping viewers to be knowledgeable. Once you've already watched my videos, I can assure you that having extra knowledge is much better, and you can also share the knowledge to others. That would help a lot. What can you say about this topic today? Please let me know in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share to educate and inspire others too. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video and bye for now.